Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. And now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
No doubt that by now you've heard of deep fakes. That is, images and videos that are altered through AI to look like someone completely different. Well, they're not just a magic trick of the latest technology. In fact, when used correctly to produce unlimited visual content, they are a virtual goldmine. Yes, now you can pick any still images or videos, then change them to cater to any demographic. Then swap out their backgrounds for whatever niche you are trying to target. And boom, you have now solved 2 of the biggest marketing problems of all time: targeting and talent. And hey, you can even apply features from yourself or your clients right into the face of any one of the images or videos. Hello, it's Todd Gross here, and how would you like to absolutely disrupt one of the biggest, most heavily invested in industries that there is, and capitalize on it immediately? We're talking about visual content creation, images and videos that are used in everyday media, from commercials to videos on social channels to online ads, photos in magazines and on websites, and all the way to printed posters in department stores and even billboards. In fact, corporations pay full-time employees upwards of $100,000 per year to do just this one thing. That is, develop visual content that the company can use for marketing campaigns, social media, email, and more. I mean, it makes sense. Visual content creation has become an absolute necessity and never-ending investment for every business in today's digitalized world. And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Wait until you hear this. The market for stock videos and stock images is quickly ballooning to the tune of $4.5 billion over the next year alone as an industry. But there's a problem with that, and I bet you guessed it. It's limited content, and of course, the content that is there is very, very costly. Well, you could disrupt this industry right now by turning just one video or one image into as many as you like. Even smaller businesses and individuals like you and I spend countless hours and endless amounts of money searching for stock media, right? Or creating the visual content that we need for our websites and our sales pages, our videos, social media, blogs, all of our media needs. We need these images, these people. Now you could have all of that. How would you like to break into this market and offer solutions that no one else can at this very moment? What if you could drastically eliminate the amount of time spent searching for and creating visual content? And what if you could dramatically reduce the cost associated with purchasing stock media or shooting videos and photography or looking for actors? And what if while doing all of that, you could produce targeted videos and images to drive more engagement and results across all those media channels that I mentioned? You now have an unlimited bank of talent, believe it or not, right now, and visual content at your fingertips. With unlimited demographic possibilities here, it's unlimited targeting and talent. So attention, all you visual content creators, all you page designers, video producers, social media ad creators, you influencers, stock video and image producers, online business owners, website owners, just about everybody, and anyone who uses videos or images in any capacity. What you're about to see will enable you to create virtually unlimited visual content that's hyper-targeted to any audience you desire, with an unlimited bank of talent, literally with just a few clicks of the mouse, and no prior technical skills needed, in just minutes. Yes, disrupt this industry and profit with the one and only FaceSwap. Now, FaceSwap uses powerful AI technology wrapped into one easy-to-use web application that is changing the visual content creation industry as we speak. You can simply point and click and create brand new media using older or existing photos and videos and images. It's just like this. Watch. Take a single image or video and change the face of the person or character with just a few clicks. Or take an old image and make it new again to fit what you need. Take a motion video and completely change who is in it. Change real people, animated characters, even tunes in images and videos. Swap out backgrounds in images and videos to create entirely different scenes and to change your targeted niche. The concept, it's so simple, but the AI technology is so powerful. And what it enables us to do will save time and money and drive real results by boosting engagement in every instance that visual content is needed. Now, the real-world use cases for FaceSwap are endless. Imagine creating and offering your own stock images and videos and grabbing a piece of that growing $4.5 billion market by selling them for 100% profit. Or by helping a business refresh an old marketing campaign by putting new characters and new backgrounds into old videos and images. Create a highly targeted social media campaign without needing to purchase expensive stock media or hire professional actors for photos or video shoots. Split test demographics, race, and ethnicities across media campaigns for yourself and for your business. Create highly personalized marketing by placing your target audience directly into the video and images. It's perfect for tourism, fashion industries, and more. Use a single image or video to target multiple audiences with pinpoint precision for smarter advertising. Create funny and engaging deep fakes to drive more clicks through any media channel. Just use your imagination as to how you will use FaceSwap. Ladies and gentlemen, these are just a fraction of the possibilities that FaceSwap makes possible. Just watch how easy it is for me to do a FaceSwap and create new media just like that. Okay, so here is the demo of this fantastic software. Easy to use, very useful, but most importantly, it's very fun to use. So let's actually do that. I'm going to show you just one feature right now because all the features are just as easy to use, but let's just do a video FaceSwap right now. So what I'll do is I'll click on this when we first log in. This is what I'm faced with, and video FaceSwap is one of the options. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Now I am inside Video FaceSwap. I browse for a video and I'm going to select a video from a little demo file I made. And this is the original right here. It says a blonde woman original. So let me just open that. And now what I want to do is actually change her face to make her face something entirely different. So let's see how to do that. We have three choices. The faces we've already used is on the left. You can see that right here. The main database, which is what we're going to use now, and My Faces, which allows you to actually upload faces that you can merge into whatever video or image that you choose. So in this case, of course, we're doing a video face swap, so we're going to change the video. So let's pick something completely outrageous. Let's go to the filter right here, and then on the right hand side, it's a little hard to see, but you could pick the gender, female, the age group, adult. You could actually age her, but I'm going to just go with adult, and I'm going to change her to a Latino. All right, and I'm going to pick this image right here because I also did this last night, and I know that came out pretty well. She had a long face, and this woman has a fairly long face, so that's why I chose that woman. And now you can see at the top, we have the blonde woman and the new Latino woman that we've chosen are going to be merged together. In other words, the one on the right is going to move into the face of the one on the left, and the video is going to play with the merged face. Okay, now at this point, it's time to render the video. Now, we just made a software change, so it's slightly different than what it was when it was in beta. What you do is you just have to select either standard quality and render it, or if you have the appropriate membership level, then you would actually just go to high quality, and then you have the choice to render it either regular or even go to Ultra HD rendering. So that's what we'll do. We'll just go to, let's say, a standard quality. So we're just going to click on render now in standard quality, and we go and agree to the terms, and boom, this is now rendering. It says it's going to take 4 minutes. This is fairly accurate, the time that it gives you. It's usually slightly longer, so figure on 5 minutes in this case. It takes generally several minutes to as much as 15 minutes, depending on the demand, and it's in queue. However, last night I actually did a trial run to what I was going to show you today, so I've actually already rendered this particular video. Let's take a look at a comparison between the original and the actual rendered video from FaceSwap. That's crazy, right? It's so good. And of course, the other features, as I said, just as easy to use. You could change images the same way, the actual faces on images, and you could change the backgrounds on both images and videos without even needing green screen in the background. That can be just swapped out instantly as well. It's just great stuff. And as I said, so much fun to do. So, are you starting to see why FaceSwap is in a completely different league when it comes to helping businesses with their visual content generation across every single content channel that you can think of? This is a complete game changer, or as one of our beta testers said, it's a ground shaker for every individual and business that leans on the use of visual content for anything they do, which, as I said, is just about all of us. And that makes the number of ways that FaceSwap can put profits in your pocket almost endless. You will save countless hours and piles of money by using FaceSwap for your own needs. But imagine the opportunity in being able to take this very technology to businesses and make 100% profit by fulfilling their visual content needs. The number of ways that FaceSwap can impact your bottom line are abundant and are for the taking right now, because there's nothing out there like it that gives you so much flexibility and creative power all under one roof. You could do all of these things starting today. Eliminate the need to hire professional actors for videos and images. Eliminate the time to recreate images with cumbersome software. Quickly scale targeted media production. Input any demographic into a video or image. Create hyper-personalized marketing materials. Enhance dynamic influencer marketing. Make old videos and images new again with different characters. Create super targeted media for ads and a single image or video. Create attention-grabbing media with fun face swaps. Boost engagement with your video and images. Offer easy content creation solutions for print media. Create targeting social media content for any audience. Start your own stock photo and video business and resell stock media. Create visual content for split testing campaigns. Deliver specific looking people that clients ask for in videos and images. Upload your own image to make someone else look more similar to you. Recreate the entire scene of a video or image with our one-click background removal. No green screen is necessary, and so much more. Now more than ever, AI technology at its best can help the small guys like you and me make giant leaps in huge industries like this. And FaceSwap puts AI technology into your hands so you can point, click, and create highly targeted media for specific uses at super fast speeds, disrupting the visual content creation industry like never before. And you don't need any technical skills to do it. Its simple step-by-step user interface really does make it a breeze. And get this, the investment to start using FaceSwap today costs less than purchasing a few stock photos. You'll be gaining access to a powerful app where you can create virtually unlimited stock photos and videos, and that you can 10 times, 100 times, or even 1,000 times your investment in so many differing ways. And if you decide not to use it commercially by fulfilling the extensive needs the visual content market demands, you will still recoup your investment in no time, simply by not having to constantly invest in new videos yourself and images for your own needs. Both personal and commercial options are available, so check out the features for each, pick the one that works best for you, and know that your investment is virtually a zero risk as long as you use the software. And it's so fun, it's so easy to use, it's a blast, let me tell you. I just want to quickly say that every so often, software does come along that can revolutionize the way an entire industry works. And for visual content creation, FaceSwap is it. By limiting production times, reducing costs in media creation, boosting engagement across all media channels, and driving real results for individuals and businesses around the world. FaceSwap enables you to create smarter visual content at lightning-fast speeds, all without the hassles of developing new videos and images from scratch. Today is your opportunity to get FaceSwap at the lowest possible price that we can currently offer it. And you can start doing all of this in the new visual content world that FaceSwap is reshaping. Don't wait another moment. Turn deep fakes into unlimited targeting and talent, and profit with that. Get FaceSwap right now.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.